Meaning of gradation.
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 Gradation. Gradation refers to a process of gradual change or progression from one stage or level to another. It can be used to describe a variety of phenomena, including changes in color, sound intensity, or spatial relationships. Gradation can also refer to a series of steps or levels, such as in a hierarchy or grading system. The term is often used in art and design to describe the subtle variations in tone or color that create a sense of depth and dimensionality. Overall, gradation is an important concept in many different fields, reflecting the dynamic and evolving nature of the world around us.